If you've ever wondered, can salt kill my grass? The answer is yes. The winter is when it happens the most, and we're gonna go over how to prevent it, what it does to the grass, as well as safer alternatives. So let's dive in. So first and foremost, it dehydrates the grass blades, damages the crowns of the plant, it builds up in the soil, and prevents roots from absorbing water. Over time, the salt will build up in the soil and it will basically affect the roots' ability to take in water. Often ends up leaving in like dry straw brown patches. So salt damage usually shows up as more brown areas, thin areas along walkways, grass that stays dormant way longer than the rest, soil that looks like crusty or chalky. So now we're going to see about how you prevent the salt damage in the winter. Here's how you can protect your lawn before it happens. You want to shovel first, salt second. Don't use more salt than needed. Avoid spreading salt directly on the lawn, as well as putting down markers so plows stay in the driveway, minimizing the amount of salt that's getting pushed onto the lawn. Maybe even adding sand for traction instead of more salt. Basically, the biggest mistake people make is throwing salt before they shovel, because when you shovel that snow, you're just throwing it right onto the grass. So what are some safe ice melt alternatives? If you want to protect your lawn and still keep your walkway safe, here are some better options. Calcium magnesium acetate, that's lawn safe, otherwise CMA. Calcium chloride, which is less damaging. Magnesium chloride, which is gentler on turf, so kind of similar with some of the previous ones. And then sand or traction grit, so it's going to add grip without damage. Basically, you just want to avoid rock salt whenever possible. It works fast, it works good, but it's the harshest product for turf, so it's a trade-off. So what should you do if salt damage has already happened? Don't panic, you can fix this. Heavy watering in April to May to get that salt flushed out. Light raking up to open up the soil, maybe even adding gypsum if the soil is compacted, and then reseeding the dead areas if needed. With the right recovery steps, most salt damage can bounce back. So yes, salt can kill your grass, but a few winter habits can save you from dead edges in the spring. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more winter lawn tips. See you in the next video.